Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Trello for AI project updates step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the API Key section. Click on the Generate API Key button. Your API key will be displayed on the screen. Copy this API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, click on the token link located under the API key. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to authorize your application. Review the permissions, then click the Allow button. Your authentication token will be generated and displayed. Copy this token to your clipboard as well. Now, open your coding environment or any platform you are using for your AI project. In your project, create a configuration file where the API key and token will be stored. Paste the API key and token into the configuration file, ensuring you keep them secure. Use a library like requests in Python to start making API calls. In your code, set the headers to include your API key and token for authorization. You can now begin fetching updates from your Trello boards using the API. Make sure to handle any potential errors in your code for better reliability. Test your authentication by sending a sample request to the Trello API. Verify that you receive a successful response from the Trello server. If successful, you are now authenticated and can integrate Trello updates into your AI project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.